Okay, this will be part 1 of lesson 1 of unit 6 on solving systems of equations. In this part 1, we are going to be dealing with types of solutions. So we have 3 types of solutions. One, when the two lines are parallel, we have these two lines that will never cross, so they have no points in common. Because they have no points in common, there will be no solution. So that's one of the types of solution is that there is not a solution. The second type is when we have intersecting lines, like these two lines pictured here. They intersect in one point. So they have one point in common. And so this system would have one solution, which would be that particular point. Then we have a situation where it looks like we only have one line, because these are called coinciding lines, because they're actually the same line. And how many points do these two lines have in common? They have all of the points in common. Therefore, we say that it has infinitely many solutions. So there are 3 types of solutions: no solution, one solution, or infinitely many. Now, when you're given an equation, the way that you can tell whether it is no solution, one solution, or infinitely many is looking at the slope and the y-intercepts of the two equations. So as you can see here, they have the same slope of 2/3. They have different y-intercepts, so these two lines are going to be parallel. Because they are parallel, they do not intersect, so they would have no solution. These two lines have different slopes. Because their slopes are different, you will have one solution. They will intersect at some point. Typically, the y-intercepts are different as well, but they could pass through the y-intercept and that be their common point. For coinciding lines, the slopes are the same as well as the y-intercept. So all we did with this equation here was take it and put it into slope-intercept form so that we can see that these two equations are the same. So that means they have all points in common, so they would have infinitely many solutions. So this is part 1 of lesson 1 for unit 6.